In the Assist BI platform, using the BI Post module, we can share Power BI reports as a PPT file over Teams on a scheduled basis. To simply do that, we need to click on the New button in the list view. Enter a subject name for the schedule. Select the desired Power BI workspace and the Power BI report from the drop-down. Choose the file type as PPT and select a recipient from the list. Select the delivery channel as Teams and enter any comments if desired. Let us schedule this report to deliver on daily basis at 10 a.m. and 5 p.m., keeping the recipient informed with fresh insights, both in the morning and evening until the end of October month. By submitting the schedule, we have successfully shared the Power BI report as PPT over Teams. Let us take a look at the recipient view of the PPT file received on Teams. Just like that, Assist BI enables quick and easy sharing of Power BI reports across multiple channels and multiple file formats.